1468 Biltmore in Lyndhurst, Ohio. Looks like we're getting some clouds in, but everything is painted. Everything is done outside. I'll show you the front porch here. We're gonna put one more coat and we're gonna get paint. We gotta finish that, but that's all painted. I can't go on there because it's wet, but trust me, it's all painted all the way through. Looks really, really good. And I'll show you the back patio. All we have left really is this. And I'll show you the inside in a minute. Get all this stuff cleaned out. So here's a back patio, so that's all done and taken care of here. Here's the all that's painted. If you remember, that was all. You need to put another coat over there. So that's all painted. We got some guys coming out to get the driveway. That's all done. Show you the back here. It looks gorgeous. Here's the side too. A few bumblebees back here. There's that. Definitely spring. Let's go inside. And he'll get all this done, and then we'll get the professional guys out with the pictures and stuff, get all that done. We'll get all the thresholds in, as you can see. All the caps are in. These are special order. Hey man, how we doing in here?
Doing great, sir.
How's it looking?
Looks great.
Pretty much having this done early next week, correct?
Yes, sir.
So we got that. Here's all this. This is all done. Here's your back patio again. That's kind of a better view of it. That's all painted. Put this threshold here too. What else?
New stove.
Brand new stove. Look at that. Nice. We're gonna leave the plastic on there so it looks new. So we got this. And the bathroom here is done. So we still have to replace that toilet, but he's gonna do that. When's he gonna do that, Matt?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Great. And there's the threshold there. There's a threshold there. What do we have to do to these two doors right here?
You need to plane that one and paint it so it'll close.
Yeah, because it's not closing. The hardware's here. He's going to be doing that tomorrow, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And all this stuff's done. Got this one done in here. Really good. Yeah. Got that. All that's in there. All the hardware, everything's here. I'll show you the basement. Of course, the bathroom's done. Put that threshold there. It's there. And there's your bathroom. All this stuff is painted. All new fixtures. Let's go down the basement real quick. Oh, I'll show you that. I'll show you the living room. Nice threshold. It really shows a touch of class with the house. And as I mentioned before, it's really nice and cool down here too. What's really nice here is this, we got this updated electrical box. And this is your, again, this is your laundry. There's your 220. There's a hot and cold. There's a washer. And then, what's going on here?
A little bit of groundhog.
Yeah, we had a little groundhog in here, but that's here. You're gonna punch this back up there. We got him out of here.
Yep.
He's all gone. We just had to figure out where they were coming in at, but it's just one. No big deal. Minor. You see here, we got this painted and polyed. All this stuff is good. So, and you got your new water heater over here. Or no, is it a new one?
Yeah, hot water heater.
Yep. So everything's new.
I got to service the furnace.
We're gonna service the furnace. It's gonna be like brand new. And it's gonna look good. So we'll be done next week. We'll get this baby on the market. This is Brett, Key Realty. Call me, 216-703-5740 if you have any questions. Thanks.